What's up guys, Super Geek here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install this super awesome ROG Phone 5s stock live wallpapers on your Android smartphone. So Asus released the ROG Phone 5s recently, which is a small upgrade over the ROG Phone 5. Asus upgraded just the processor and it got the Snapdragon 888 Plus, which is just an overclocked version of Snapdragon 888. And apart from that, everything is almost the same in ROG Phone 5s. But to make the smartphone look new and fresh, Asus has dropped 2 new live wallpapers on ROG Phone 5s, and today I'm going to tell you how you can install those on your Android smartphone. Now these are the 2 new wallpapers that I'm going to show you. So let me show you. So this is the first wallpaper called Drone of Detection. The next one is Starship or something. Yes, Starship. And it animates like this. So I'm using the Drone of Detection one. The best part about these wallpapers is that these are really different from ROG Phone 3 live wallpapers. I've made a video about those too, so you can check them out. What's best about these wallpapers is that it animates when you unlock your phone. It does not need that customization that you needed in ROG Phone 3 live wallpapers, where you have to install an app to toggle between the animation of the live wallpapers. But even if you want to do that, you can do that. The procedure is same, but I don't think it's worth the time to show you that again. So if you want to do that, if you want to use that toggle to animate and de-animate the live wallpaper, you can go through the process same as in ROG Phone 3 live wallpapers. I have that video linked in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can install these wallpapers on your Android smartphone. So the installation process is pretty simple. You just have to download the APK files and install it on your phone. Let me show you how. So once you download the APK files, the link is in the description, and all you have to do is use your file manager app and install the APK files. Just like so. So you have to install both of them just like this one, and go to the wallpapers, live wallpapers. Okay, my live wallpapers are shown here, so I'm going to show you that. So this is the first wallpaper and this is the second wallpaper. So you can just go ahead and set, and this is how they look. Now I'm going to show you how they look when you unlock your phone. Okay, one more thing, these live wallpaper apps starts to show in the app drawer. So if you want to hide them, you can hide them easily. I'm using the Asus launcher because my phone is Asus, and what you can do is you can go ahead and hide these two. As you can see, it's showing here, but I have hidden those because OCD. And if you have OCD like mine, you can hide them, or you can let them be there in the app drawer if it don't bother you much. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.